In this video, I'll show you how to opt out of the Flat Rate Access program. If you choose to opt out, you'll need to purchase your textbooks separately at retail or resale prices through the Student Choice Bookstore or another outlet. Let's get started. Log into your EICC Connect account and find the Bookstore tile. Click the link labeled Academos Bookstore. Once the Bookstore page loads, click the Login button in the top right corner and log in using your EICC credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see a page that reads, "Welcome to your Flat Rate Access program," with all of your course materials listed. Look for the text under the My Course Materials block and find the gray Opt Out button. Click it, and you're all done. You have the option to opt out each semester if this program doesn't meet your needs. The opt-out page becomes available once the term is active and you've registered for classes. If you later decide to rejoin the program, you can easily opt back in. For questions, email the EICC Bookstore at bookstore@eicc.edu. Thanks for watching.